my video. There we go. Now you can see me. Do you guys like the new setup? Let's see if we're live. Let's make sure we're live and everything. If you're live, let me know. I'm going to go check just to make sure you guys are all getting to see us. We're going to give you a little market update, what's going on in the markets. And then, yep, see, that's why we had a bad image there. But we are live now. So we'll see if Luke is coming on. But I do have some market updates, some trades that were made. And 1 second, hold on, hold your horses. Let's get him on board. But we are seeing Crocs. Crocs is responding today. Tesla is up today. VSTO is up today. Amazon, Peloton, my favorite, GBTC. I know you crypto people are saying, why don't I buy Voyager Crypto or Coinbase? I have that too. But GBTC is up 7% today. So we are, we're happy with that. Unity Gaming. I know I sold some Unity Gaming yesterday, but I still kept it. And we're seeing a nice gain today there as well. Upwork, obviously, there's stuff selling off too. Duncan is selling off a little bit today on the news yesterday. We're down about 1%. But hey, you can't. It's not going to always go straight up. But it was yesterday. We got 13%. So let's see if Lukey's coming on. Do you want to come on? I got to make sure we're live. We are live on the YouTube too.
Yes.
All right. So we're on the YouTube. Let's wait for a few minutes for everyone to get in here. Okay, we got 43 in here. Let's wait a little bit. All right. You wear Patrick, you wear Crocs to the office? Good, because I love my Crocs. Oh, there you are. I see we're live. See, I didn't see any of this. I'm sorry. What a rookie I am. I got a surprise for you guys if you're here now. Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I can do some stuff. Let's put that there. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now, here we go. We got our okay. All right, we got our graphics. We're ready to go. We're going to start in 30 seconds to the reel. I know I'm live, but let's give it a little countdown. All right, home gamers, we're live. I get it. Thank you, Patrick. Overexposed. I agree. I'm overexposed, underexposed. We are moving. We got stock. Here we go. Let's go. Let's do it. RKT. RKT is up 70 cents, up 3.52%. We got earnings November 10th. RKT is Rocket Mortgage or Rocket Companies. It's a technology-enabled real estate transaction company. People keep asking about it. I've said that I'm owning this for the long term. You're going to have to dig it out of me in the grave or something. I'm going to be owning this stock for the long term, but in the short term, it's going to move upwards, downwards, all around. Just keep that in mind. But on Benzinga, we have great coverage. There's a bunch of analyst upgrades on it, a bunch of analyst notes. And you can get tons of color there. So Rocket is rocking a little bit today, 3%. I know some of you guys bought it higher, but markets don't go straight up. I'll tell you this. I owned Facebook when it went public. It went down like 20% for the first 8 months. I didn't sell, so I'm happy. The same thing with HubSpot. I talked about HubSpot. It's a marketing software. We use it for Benzinga. Again, if you want to make money in the stock market, just buy what Benzinga buys. We use HubSpot. We use Salesforce. We use RingCentral. Datadog. I mean, they're getting $13,000 a month from us. And for some reason, we don't own that stock. I didn't realize they were getting $13,000 a month. So that's what it is. It's called the Benzinga Stock Index. The Benzinga Stock Index is what we use, what the service we use, the SaaS services. AWS, if I told you what we pay AWS, you would fall off your chair, Patrick. The second thing I want to get to is okay, good. L. Smith, that's good feedback. So L. Smith is saying she's a mortgage underwriter, not at Rocket. They're very busy, and there's no question. But it's not just the mortgages. Rocket has a diversified business, and it'll continue to be more diversified. So keep that in mind. It's not just like the Rocket loan, the loan part of it. There's more to it. And I think you'll see that as the ensuing quarters come abound. So let me see what else we got. Datadog made $5 on it from yesterday. Yeah, Bill Big, it's a no-brainer. Let's see. I want to maybe bring a news desk person on the show with us. Anyone want to? 1 second, guys. Come on the show right now that wants to talk stocks. Okay, so I may bring a surprise guest on. Let's see. Okay, from our news desk. News desk. All right. So let's see what I'm getting hurt on. Okay, so feel free to let me know if there's any particular stocks you're getting hurt on or want us to look at. But let's, it was 10% lower than what it is today. Don't tell me I didn't tell you to buy it. I told you I bought GBTC. Why did I buy GBTC? Because GBTC is another way to play crypto. I know there's a premium associated with it, but it's a way to protect yourself and get in it if you don't have like a Voyager or a Bitcoin account. I'm going to share my screen with you guys right now. So hold on 1 second. We're going to go to here. We're going to see stock portfolio. Okay, Josh here. We have a special guest. His name is Josh. He's a fan in the studio right now. So here's my screen. It's probably too small for you guys. Let me make it bigger. I don't really know. Yeah, it's still too small. Let's even make it a little bigger. Okay. So I didn't show dollar amounts, and we could do that next time. I just don't know what is appropriate and not appropriate. But some of my favorite positions, I'm going to show by weighting. I am not. This is, if you said, am I diversified? I am not diversified. Now, I do own Google. I do own other stocks. But in this account, this is, 35% is Tesla. See, I don't advise that. I don't advise it, but I used to be a blackjack player. I guess I'm a risk taker, or I'm just clueless. But that's a big position that I have. I did initiate in Crocs the past 2 weeks. I've been buying Crocs. It looks like up 10%. I'm looking for another 10%. Crocs has earnings. I think it's tomorrow night. But if you don't know, go to Benzinga Pro. That's pro.benzinga.com, and you can check the earnings date. But I'm in Crocs pretty large and in charge. I mean, one of the reasons, guys, that Tesla is so big is I bought Tesla at $38. It's at like $2,400 with the splits or whatever. And so the position just got big like that. And, whatever. So SPH, we're up 18%. So it's getting colder out. You guys need propane. Restaurants don't want to serve food inside. So people don't want to sit inside. So you need propane tanks outside at restaurants. I actually thought SPH would be a 30% gainer. We're up 17%. I'm still holding. I don't think I've sold really any shares. So I'm hanging on to SPH, hanging on to TAST. VSTO, this election is nuts. I don't know what's going to happen, but people are stocking up on ammunition. I've called 2 dealers to see what the supply is. It's so hard to buy ammunition right now. I like to, do checks on these things. GAN is my loser, guys. I'm a loser. Where's my stuff? Oh, see, he took my stuff. Aaron, I'm gonna have to took my papers. This is my crumble. This is for my GAN. Shoot it. Oh, I missed. See, my GAN has been such a dog. I can't even tell you guys. It's embarrassing. It's really embarrassing. These are what I throw away for my bad picks. I need a soundboard here so I can say it's my toilet bowl pick. Okay, let's see. We got new comments. All right, how are we doing here? How do I have patience to hang on to Zoom this long? Yeah, I bought Zoom at 60. Crocs had earnings this morning. That's right. I don't know what I was thinking. See, you guys, I am doing Benzinga, building Benzinga during the day and not trading throughout the day. So they brought me on because of my great looks. Just kidding. See, that's what's turning viewers away. But so Crocs, let's go back to Crocs then, because it did, and I was confusing it. So Crocs had earnings. Here's my position right now. Let's go back up. We're up 10%. It was a big buy for me. I will probably sell. It's 4% of my portfolio. I'll probably sell half the position or a quarter of it today. That's what I'll probably do, even though I don't want to. I love the Justin Bieber partnership. I love it. Wendy's I bought during Corona. Now we're at 20. So let's see if Luke is coming on. Luke, he hasn't heard back to me because Luke always has a good stock pick. Luke. Are you coming on? Come on, dude. All right, let's no Lukey. Oh, there's a lot of people talking here. Okay, 1 second. Don't mean to bore you guys. I should play music. All right, so now we're gonna do a new part of the episode. Oh, please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. They were saying hit the like button. That's how the YouTube algorithms find us. You know, every morning we're live from 8 to 9 a.m. and we have 2,000 people live at all times. This is a new thing that we're just starting. So if we can get some likes and get some viewers, we'll do it more often. So hit the like button. And John Gilbronson, if you want to come talk stocks, but John, call Luke, get him on, tell him to slack me away. I'll give him the link. Hold on. Okay, but we have a new thing that we're about to do. I have to send a person a link though right now. Hold on. We have a special guest coming on the show. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned, guys. All right, here is the new special thing. Okay, this guy Josh is here. He's like thinks I'm insane that I don't have all this prepared. He's looking at me like I'm a total fool, but I don't. It's Josh. Like just because you always have all your stuff prepared and organized, you know, like not all of us do. Okay. He's shaking his head at me, but all right. So here's the new segment. The disaster of the day. The Benzinga disaster of the day. Guys ready for it? I know I am. Here we go. Okay. So where is it? Okay. That's not it. Okay. There we go. So my disaster of the day. Let's go show it up. Here we're going to pull it. You don't see the screen right now. So we got to take the graphic off. Now we're gonna go to the screen. We're logging into Benzinga Pro. Oh, you're not going anywhere. Someone said they're not going anywhere. I don't know who that was. Oh yeah. Smash that thumbs up button. Share this with your friends. Put it on Twitter. Put it out wherever you can. Let's go. Okay. But yes, there is some disasters, guys. There's some disasters in Candyland. Trust me. Oh, did you lose the video, Aaron? Yep. Hey, Patrick, have you ever had the thing when you're streaming, when you go past a half an hour and the camera turns off? Aaron's having that trouble. It's a camera that falls asleep after 30 minutes. Can you help Aaron out in the chat, Patrick? Thank you. Okay. Patrick's a professional poker player. He streams live. He's on a thing called Twitch. You guys have probably heard of it. And he can show you how to do these things or what camera he uses. Right, Patrick? Okay, so now we're going to show you disaster of the day. 1 second. Switching the chart up. It's not it here. I want to find that one. Hold on, guys. These applied filters. Okay, so CRTD. Okay, 13%. It's not a disaster. All right, hold on. Let's go to newsfeed. You guys are like, what is this guy doing here? Luke's not coming on. So now it's just me. I'm frying out here, guys. Trying to find you that one that we saw getting killed today. Oil stocks. Chevron laying off 20% of its Noble Energy staff. Hold on. Anyone in Twilio? We're down 3% today in Twilio. What do you guys think? 2 upgrades, but we're down 3%. Should that be the disaster of the day? Yeah, Canon does that. Yeah, he probably exactly. That's why you're Patrick. You're on. He needs a new camera. I told him to get the Sony, but he wanted the Canon. They don't listen to me here. I'm telling you, they don't listen to me here. So, Mitch, I'm still on. Thank you, Mitch. You got a stock for me? You want to come on live? MAR breaking down. Yeah. Yep. So, all right. So I'm boring you guys right now because I'm not happy with what I'm seeing here. Here's my watch list. My Hubs 302 bought at 60 Square. See, Square one, if you don't own, you should just own it and not look at it again. How about this? I sold some of my Del Taco yesterday. It's up 40. It closed up yesterday. Voyager, that's the crypto one. Zoom, I'm just hanging on. I'm not selling Zoom. I'm not selling it. I sold 20 shares at 390, and I won't sell again for a while. No reason to take the tax. You want to come on live? All right. Here, who's this guy? Okay, you can come on live right now, Elite. Here you go. Ready? I'm going to send you a message right now. We're bringing on someone live. 1 second. Yeah, you have to wake up every 3 seconds. All right, Elite, you want to come on? Send me a here. You use Sony A7s. That's what I wanted. Is that what you use too, Josh?
I use GH5.
He uses GH5, but that's what I want. All right. So Elite, do you want to come on? Shoot me an email, jason@benzinga.com right now. Hey, want to open up Frog? Let's open up Frog. Hold on. Yeah, Stoom has a high market cap, but when the market says go higher, you just follow along, dude. Follow along. You don't fight trends. If you want, but you sell as the market goes up, and you buy as it goes down, or like that's what I did with my Zoom. I told you, I sold a third of the position. So what are we looking at? This Frog one? Why do we want to look at Frog? What's Frog do? J Frog. You just like the name of it? Down 3%. We got a 3-month chart. Okay, here we go. See, that's not what I want to trade. I want to go big on some stock today. What should I do? I want to like mortgage the house on a stock today. Which one should I mortgage the house on, guys? I don't like this Frog. I don't like the chart. I don't like anything about it. Yeah, if you want to go live, send me an email to jason@benzinga, and you can come live right now. Okay. My audio is muted. Oh, Aaron, can you look at the Periscope Twitter? Is the audio muted? Just go to our Twitter. All right, Benzinga Pro. If you're a Benzinga Pro member, you can come live right now. Benzinga Pro, if you have any questions, call 313-723-2000, ask for Jonathan Mallard, or email vipaccounts@benzinga.com. Wait, am I been sharing product Benzinga to stream? Okay, so let's see. Did anyone...
You're good on Twitter.
All right, I'm good on Twitter. He says I'm not. All right, the guy who said they wanted to go live did not email me. So, yeah, no, Bed Bath & Beyond is great. PLTR. Why PLTR? No one wants to tell me why PLTR? Okay. All right, last chance to go live, or I'm going to bring on another person. So, last chance. All right, let's see. Hold on. Still studying those. Oh, you're Josh. Okay. Josh, you text messaged me. Yes. Isn't this you? It's not you?
No.
Who the heck is that? Get weird text here, guys. It sounds like it's Josh. I don't know what the heck that is. All right, let's get back to the scene. Bed Bath & Beyond. We'll put up a chart of Bed Bath & Beyond in 1 second. Okay, sorry for the... Yeah, so quarterly. Yeah, if you call into VIP accounts@benzinga.com, you can get a quarterly deal on a pro membership. So just tell them Jason sent you, and if they don't want to give it to you, then tell them to, I don't know, go somewhere else. Okay. Now, what was the Bed Bath & Beyond? So I have not looked at Bed Bath & Beyond in a while. Should I be buying Bed Bath & Beyond? Let's see. Got a 1-year chart. What's the play? Oh, you're at home. You're buying stuff. It's like a Wayfair play. I like it. Okay. Chart's lower. What do we got? A market cap of 1.8 billion. 25. I'm boring this guy. Josh, you don't have to stay for this. I know this is boring to you. But if it was making you money, Josh, if it was making you money, if you bought Bed Bath & Beyond at $3, it's at $24, you'd be happy. Because imagine you buy 1,000 shares at $3. Okay, so it's $3,000. It's at $25,000 today. Okay, if you were listening to the show, you would have.
You're right.
So you just have to be on these things. So Bed Bath & Beyond does look interesting because people are buying for the home, but I just don't know it well enough. How much real estate did they get rid of? What's the debt? I mean, 1.19 billion in debt. They probably negotiated the debt. No dividend right now. I don't know. I'm not in it. But OSTK into earnings. That could be an interest. OSTK. That could be the stock that I'm going in hard and long in today. I may buy 10,000 of OSTK right now. Let's go. I like that OSTK call because Bitcoin's rising. It plays in Bitcoin. It plays in crypto. It has the stocks. OSTK is overstock. This could be the one that we go long and hard in this one. All right. We got a guy to come live. Let's see how he goes. Let's see. He's gonna his name is Juan Soto, I'm a 1-year member. I love your site. It's changed my life. He said our site has changed his life. Someone that says the site has changed his life, we got to bring him live. So we're going to bring him live right now, and you guys will learn how Benzinga Pro can change your life today for the future. So you don't have to work for the man all day. You can have fun, do startups, do fun stuff, build great stuff, make some money in the market. Yeah, I muted myself. I'll start over. You guys, thanks for telling me. That was terrible. Press 1 if you think I should buy a lot of overstock. Press 2 if I shouldn't buy overstock. And press 3 if it's just a little. I think I'm going to go long and hard in overstock right now. What do you guys think? Overstock or no stock? I'm not mute. Am I mute still? Aaron turned me off. It was Aaron's fault. You hear me, Aaron?
You're fine.
He says I'm fine. Josh, it was nice meeting you.
You too.
Don't be a stranger. I love how the earbud fits right in your ear. They fall right on my ears.
Oh, really? There's like different pieces you could like go.
I've tried everything. I'm going to invent new earbuds. Do any of you guys have earbuds fall out of your ear? Because I have earbuds fall out. So 1, if you think I should buy long and charge, go big and overstock. 2, if I shouldn't. 3, if it's a little. I think I'm going to go 1. I think I'm going to buy a bunch of overstock. I know you guys are saying I shouldn't, but I think I'm going to. I really do. So that's what I think. Right. Let's see if our other guest. Oh, is our guest ready to go? I think we have a guest here in the studio. How do I see if he's there? No, he's not there yet. Okay. Let's go. Let's call him. Let's prank him. Oh, he says 12:45. He's hopping on now. Well, I don't see him. Are you waiting? All right. Oh, get foam coverage for my earbuds. It doesn't work. Stock has. I've tried everything. JCS TV, we didn't call you. We didn't call you. But smash the like button. Give Mitch is working hard. He needs to get us to 25,000 followers on YouTube, and we're not there. So, please get him there. He's working his butt off. He's the man. Mitch is the man. He's learning. Mitch, we had a camera issue today. We got the wrong camera. Just want you to know, Mitch. We bought the wrong camera, okay? But we'll get that fixed. Don't worry about it. We'll get it fixed. Aaron's going to send it. I'm going to bring another guy in. His name is Hot Stocks Luke, and get ready for him later for the earbuds. Use headphones. That's what I'm doing. Here we go. Hot Stocks Luke.
All right. What's up? What's up, guys?
Luke, you're on mute. I can't hear you, buddy.
You can't hear me.
Uh-oh. Come on. Hot Stocks Luke. Let's go. Why does your studio not look as good as mine? Why does Luke look so strange? I don't know.
Are you sure you can't hear me?
Lighting. Oh, thanks, grain of salt. That's nice of you. Mitch, you're ready to hop
Jason,
on.
They can hear me. It's you. You can't
you
hear
got
me.
The solution, Mitch. You're the one who told us to buy this camera. Aaron said you told us to buy this camera. Right, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mitch, you told us to buy this camera. The Canon. I don't want any remote or anything like that. The one that was in the video from OK Dork is the one you get. That's it. Luke, we can't hear you, bud.
It's a you problem.
Can someone go help Luke?
Look at the chat. Somebody needs to go help Jason.
Okay, he says the chat can hear him.
Yep.
So the chat can hear Luke?
Yeah.
All right, then I can't hear Luke. All right, so Aaron, I can't hear Luke. Well, you know what's going on? Luke, Aaron, do you know what's going on?
No.
The viewers can hear Luke.
Yeah, we can all hear Luke.
No, I can't. Okay, here he is. You guys get to meet Aaron right here. This is Aaron. Come on, Aaron.
Yeah.
What's wrong, baby?
Aaron's a lot better than Jason.
I guess let's do it that way.
I can say that while he doesn't hear me.
Here, I got rid of the headphones. Forget the headphones.
All right,
Okay.
so can you hear me now?
Yeah. I'm
There we
sorry.
go. All right.
I'm sorry. We're live. We're live with Hot Socks Luke. We also have another guest, Luke. I'm going to bring him on because it looks like he's in the car. He's been a guest, a member of Benzinga Pro for a year, and I don't know if it's been good for him or bad. So ready? Ta-da-ta-da! We're going to introduce this guest. His name is JCS2. Hold on, Luke. Hold on. Let me bring him in, okay? I'm going to bring him in. I'm going to add to the stream. Make sure, hey, turn your radio off because you can hear an echo in the radio, like on the radio stations. All right,
Can you hear me?
JCS2, can you talk?
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, speak up a little bit more.
We just
Hold
want
on,
to
I'm
make
gonna
sure
put
you're
on my-
safe,
I'm going
We
to
wanna
pull
make sure
over
you're
one
safe,
sec. I'm going to put on the headphones so you can hear me clearly.
Yeah, Aaron to the rescue, JJ20. Yep.
Can you hear me better?
Okay. Why,
what's
Chris?
up,
Why
guys?
didn't the open box go well? Okay, Jace, we can hear you. So tell us who you are, why you wanted to come in live, and then we'll go from there.
Awesome, great. So I came across your site maybe a year ago, and I'm now a member for a year. And after seeing how much information you guys share on your site, I think it's life-changing. I can trade from wherever I am, and I put so many people on Benzinga. And this is before you guys had like some kind of affiliated link that you can share, but everyone that I've put on Benzinga just has a completely different training experience, and I think it's essential now at this point. I can't trade without Benzinga, and I remember the moment you were on the chat, and we were both. I was thinking of Expa, and you mentioned Expa, and that was like a crazy moment where I got to like redo my entire backyard because of that play. And just that one play. So I think it's very important for anyone that's into retail trading or even advanced trading to have Benzinga at this point. It's just so easy to access from wherever you are now. But I just wanted to say that. I just wanted to thank you guys, especially you, Ryan. This is an amazing thing you've created.
And for anybody who doesn't know the XSPA story, it's a stock. So I think its ticker is XSPA, right? So it's X-ray
Yes.
Sandy Papa Alpha. And basically what happened is
Can I play? Oh, go ahead, and then I'll play it.
okay. But basically, Jason was doing a live show in the morning, and his hot pick, his power pick of the day was Express Spa, the stock that JCS is talking about. And his thesis was, hey, they just hired a chief medical officer. This could potentially be a COVID play. Right now, they just do like the spas and airports. Potentially, they could do like some sort of testing in the airport spas for COVID. And while Jason was still on, like probably 3 or 4 minutes after he finished his pitch, the company published a press release saying, hey, we're about to start doing airport COVID testing. And the thing exploded. I mean, it was the craziest effing thing I've ever seen on a Benzinga stream. Stockland, I'm looking at it now.
I've been buying
$8.
XSPA since it was like a 90 cents. So when Jason mentioned it, and I saw it literally go up in 10 seconds after he mentions XSPA, it starts going up. I think it was like 50%. I can't remember what it went up to. And it was just so crazy. And I just knew I was on the right path. I feel like I'm working in New York right now, and I'm a project manager for private equity over here, but they do real estate. And the ability for me, like I'm literally just driving around looking at properties, and I can post up Benzinga on my iPad, I can on my phone, and I think it's a game changer.
Nice, man. I love it.
I really recommend anyone that's really getting into stocks at this point in time to have Benzinga.
And you're a member of Benzinga Pro, right?
Yes. I have the Benzinga Pro and the option scanners. I've been trading options for the past 2 years, and when I think on the second month I had Benzinga, I was trying the option scanner, and I really didn't know how to intake that information at that time. But now with more experience and having you guys, especially with Joel, with the pre-market prep, him just listening to him digest all the information, was really helped me shorten my learning curve. But it's been awesome.
Yeah,
my trading
and if
has
you guys
completely
haven't-
changed. exponentially.
I love it.
What do you say?
Yeah, I was just gonna say, and if anybody out there hasn't seen the pre-market show yet, subscribe to our channel. It runs 8 to 9 a.m. every day. You subscribe, you'll get a little alert when it's live. But definitely check out the pre-market show if you haven't done that before. I mean, it's an hour of two veterans going through trades, setups, news, etc.
Yeah.
So, are there any trades JCS2 that you're putting on right now that you want to share with the crew?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Any trades that you're putting on right now that you want to share with the crew?
Oh, the reason why I was reaching out to you, because I heard you say you wanted to play with your mortgage on. Right now I'm looking at UUP, considering that if Biden wins, and I feel like we're gonna get a much bigger stimulus than what we're trying to put through right now. And UUP is the dollar index. I was actually shorting the 20. I wanted to short it the dollar, so I was buying the $25 puts for December 18th, I think. And I just want to confirm. No, I don't want to risk. I could look actually right now, but I'm not sure how this app works right now with. But that's my play right now. I think that's my biggest play right now. I have the UUP $25 puts for December.
And so basically, then, sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so like my outlook is just if we get a bigger stimulus bill, I'm seeing the dollar drop little every time we mention the stimulus, and it's going to come through. It's not, and I'm seeing gold. I'm seeing the metals, and especially gold right now. It's going up, so that's kind of giving me like a signal like the dollar is going to drop. I'm just like in limbo right now. I just wanted to get your input, maybe with someone with more experience in the trading the dollar.
Luke, what do you got to say for yourself?
Yeah, I like it. So to recap, the idea is Biden wins presidency. We're going to get a lot of stimulus out there. It's going to cause inflation, aka weaken the dollar. So the trade being made is buying the $25 December puts on ticker UUP, which is the ETF that tracks the dollar. And I like that one. I've been looking for less obvious ways to trade the election. Like one of my ideas is buying Virtu, VIRT, on volatility, right? Virtu is a market maker. There's more volume. There's more volatility. Virtu makes more money. So that's sort of been my less obvious election play than like buying some of the solar stocks, etc. I think the going short on the dollar via that ETF and using the puts, so you're risking your downside is an awesome way to play it.
Oh, great. Thank you.
I dig it.
This makes me feel a little bit better.
There we go. Let it ride.
Thank you so much, guys.
All right, well, JCS2, thanks for calling in. Feel free to do it in the future. Glad to hear you're making money and got to build a sweet backyard. I don't want my wife to hear that because, yeah, I made money in that Express Spa, and I'm going to show the clip of Express Spa in a minute, but from that call. But, yeah, that's awesome to hear. And that's what we try to do. We don't treat Benzinga Pro as like just a software tool. We treat it as a community where you can learn and go in the chat room with people. That whole thing.
Oh yeah, the chat is it's amazing too. All the chats now. You have so many chats, but each one is very unique, and there's very unique individuals in each chat. So I want to thank you again. Everything has been great with the app, all the upgrades, and it's awesome. Thank you.
No,
so much.
Thank you, man, for calling in. Don't be a stranger. And if you want anything new to Benzinga Pro, let me know, and I'll make sure it happens. So thank you.
Sure.
And again, thanks for calling in, man.
Thank you, guys. Good luck
All right.
out there. Stay safe.
Yep. You too, man. Peace out. Bye-bye. Okay, Luke.
Yep.
I don't know if you have a stock or if you want me to show the clip real quick. What do you want me to do?
Let's. Have you done a chat challenge yet?
I did not do a chat challenge yet.
All right. How about this? How about we do a chat challenge?
I did a chat. I did the thing where I did this. I did not do this. Is this what you want?
Yep. This is what I was going to throw up.
All right.
Chat challenge.
All right. How do you guys like chat challenge? This is our chat challenge. Every day we're gonna have a chat challenge. It's gonna be on the 3s. No, this is the 12:58 time. But Luke, you want to introduce a chat challenge?
Yeah, let me introduce the chat challenge. So every day we're going to be throwing something out there for our chatters to basically answer a question, right? And it's a high stakes challenge. Whoever is the winner of the chat challenge is going to be taking home a Benzinga t-shirt. We've got these cool Benzinga Detroit t-shirts. I wish I had one next to me, but I don't. But every day we're going to be going through one of these.
Hold
And,
on,
you know,
hold on. I got a model here. I got a very nice, handsome model.
there we go. Wait, hold on. See, check out this cool Benzinga Detroit
You're not
t-shirt.
on right now because the chat challenge thing's on, right?
Oh, so you okay? So you don't get to
Hold
see
on.
it.
Oh no, they can see it. Hold on, we're gonna get them. We're gonna get them. Just put it back.
People in the UK can play. There we go. All right.
All right.
Boom.
All right. That is that. All right. Okay, let's go. Chat
Okay.
challenge. What is the chat challenge today?
So the chat challenge today. Let me throw this a zoom.
Give me a like. Come on, give us a like. Let's go. Let's go. Let's wrap this up. Aaron's getting tired. Aaron wants to go to sleep. Aaron is burnt out. That is for sure. Here's Aaron, by the way, guys. This is Aaron. He's burnt out today. He's tired.
All right. So
What?
chat challenge of the day. Our first official chat challenge. I've got a chart up. It's a 1-year chart. Who can name the ticker of this stock? You've got a couple hints here, right? The stock has exploded over the course of this year. You get the stock price, and I'll also say that it is a stock that we've talked about earlier this week. So I'm throwing that out there. That is the chat.
You say
challenge.
earlier this week. You know today's is Tuesday, right, sir?
We talked about this stock on Monday.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah, that's good. I just want to make sure. See, like my little graphic I put on for time for today's giveaway?
All right, we got some guesses going in. We got 2 for Zoom. We've got JKS. We've got Overstock, and then we have the winner. We've got the right stock coming in from JJ20 mRNA
Moderna!
Moderna.
Got it.
Boom. All right, I'm throwing my Benzinga Pro up on the screen here. Give me a second to throw you guys some zooms. It's the size for ants right now. Here is your 1-year chart on Moderna. JJ20, congratulations. You win the inaugural chat challenge. Awesome call. So I'm going to give you my email address in the chat here. It's luke@benzinga.com. Super easy. Shoot me an email with an address and a size, and we're going to get you your Benzinga t-shirt. If you are somebody who is not JJ20, tomorrow is your chance. We're going to run another challenge tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Congratulations. Now we need a bell thing. See, Luke, if you had your soundboard that I should have bought this weekend, and instead I debated because I had too many people on the thing. You guys ever realize just make decisions? Don't get a bunch of people in there and make.
Hey, Jason, on the YouTube, I'm getting a little spinny icon with no visual.
Oh, really?
Really. Let me refresh it. It could be okay. I refreshed it. It could have just been me.
I'm just saying I should have bought the soundboard I had, and I didn't. So, but I'll buy the soundboard. You'll have one soon, Luke. I don't know.
Yes.
Let people get in the decision. So I'm going to start doing is making decisions and just doing it, even if it's wrong. All right. So I have a couple quick little more things I wanted to do. Luke, do you mind if I do it right now?
Yep. Roll the video. Roll the clip.
Roll the clip. All right. We're going to roll a quick 2-minute clip. My sharing is Luke sharing. I think I'm sharing.
Right now I'm sharing. I'm going to stop.
Okay.
All right, go for it. In this clip, I'll preface this this is taking my bias out of it, my Benzinga bias out of it. I think this is one of the craziest live clips I've seen in my entire life.
But I want to make sure the audio is working. So will you do me a favor when I hit the enter button, press 1 if you can hear the audio. All right, here we go, guys. Do you guys see my screen, by the way?
I don't think you're sharing right now, Jason.
Uh-oh, that's not good. It says I was. Oh, yeah, you're right. Luke, when you're right, my man.
There we go. I got it.
When you're right, Luke, you're just right. Hold on. I don't hear the audio coming out of it. 1 second. Do you guys hear audio coming out of it?
I don't hear audio on my end.
Well, without audio, this thing sucks. So hold on. Why am I not hearing audio?
There's probably a setting for the audio.
Let me see. Hold on. No. Aaron doesn't know. But
Yeah,
I
we got Patrick in the chat saying no audio.
All right, I got a solution, guys. I got a solution. So hold on. Hold your horses. Home gamers, we're gonna do it on my wait, let's see if this works. Hold on, home gamers. Let's see. 1 second. I think I have a solution. Ready? Original sound, Benzinga. Okay, ready? Wait, put this in, enter. Okay. Tell me if this works. 1 second, 1 sec, guys. I can't get it to work. All right, well, I'll just put the link in here. I can't get it to work. Our tech knowledge has been worn out here. I can't get it to work, guys.
Yes.
Here's the link.
And I will say to everybody, like, it behooves you to watch this clip. Again, I'm taking my bias out of it, and this is one of the craziest live clips I think I've ever seen.
I tried for you
This
guys.
video's gotten over 1 million views, which is, if that speaks to it, I mean, that speaks to it.
When sharing turned audio on, I have audio on. What's he talking about? It would have been so good if I could have had that working.
Jason, the link you pasted in is sort of messed up, or somebody pasted in.
I did.
It's sort of a weird link.
That's such a bad link, guys. Oh God, this is like rookie. This is like rookie school, guys. I am sorry.
I mean, we're in week 2. You know, we should have this by now.
100%. This is ridiculous. I don't know what to tell you guys.
Well, the link is good now.
He said the link is good now. The producer said the link is good now.
The TikTok link is good.
TikTok link is good. All right, so that's that. Let me see if I have anything else. Luke, how was your event today?
It was awesome. So I was a little bit late today, guys, because I was at an event with about 50 different brokerages, right? These are all your online brokerages from Webull to TD Ameritrade to E-Trade and Interactive Brokers, and the list goes on and on and on and on. And it was awesome just to hear how these brokerages are looking at the world, right? We're in sort of this time of volatility. We're in a time where there's a ton of new traders. You know, so it was really interesting to hear how these brokerages are thinking about their customer experience. Options was a key thing that they were talking about as being immensely popular right now. An increase of content that they're providing, content, education, stock ideas for their users is something that a lot of them were thinking about. So it was a really cool event to be at.
Okay, so I'm taking my screen from the screen. I'm stopping the screen share. All right, so you guys told me not to buy this overstock, but I think the Ravs fund may have to go into overstock pretty hard. With crypto going up, I think it's time to do a crazy trade publicly. I think it's time.
All right, let's do it.
I think it's time to mortgage the house. Yeah, I think that's what I need to do, because the other trades are, I mean, express buy, like this guy, you know. I just think, Luke, with crypto going crazy, shouldn't trade whatever it is, overstock, like, respond from that?
Yeah, that should be good for overstock for sure.
It should be great. It should be great. I'm really sad I couldn't play the audio of this clip. We're gonna try to figure that out for the next show. Every single show, we're trying to bring new stuff to you guys. So this show we brought the new studio here, but we have a couple new elements that I'm working with Aaron on. First, we got to get a new camera, but then I'm gonna get you'll see, I got a couple more elements that you'll see tomorrow. And I don't know, Luke, do you have any other trades?
Yep, I've got one.
Go ahead.
All righty. So here, I got another new thing. Can you put my screen on, Jason? I think
Yes,
it's something that you have to
sir.
do on your end.
Yeah, I know, Luke, because I didn't give you the code. I know, but eventually I want to do that. We got a little thing, so
All right, we'll get there.
wait, hold on, dude. There's your screen, the power pit. All right, Lukey, here we
Boom.
go.
All right, you said you're gonna have new things tomorrow. I've got something new today. But look at this, my little power pick graphic.
Love that.
Every day that we're coming with a trade, I just want to throw this up. I got my little Einstein guy.
Yeah.
But all right, let me throw you guys my trade of the day. I've got one stock that I'm getting into today, and the stock is Box, ticker BOX. That's Bravo Oscar X-ray. If you don't know what Box is, it's a cloud storage collaboration sharing company. So basically, imagine you work at a company. You're working across your sales team or your product team or whatever. You guys want to share contracts. You want to share ideas. You want to store things somewhere that's not just an email on your computer. That's what Box is the solution for. And so here's the thesis on Box is that I think that this is an unrecognized COVID play. We've got cases on the rise. I think that kicks out when businesses are getting back to normal in the office, et cetera. And I think Box is one of these COVID plays, like permanent change in workplace culture. I think Box is one of those. We're a customer here at Benzinga. They small mid-sized firms like us. It's a solution for. It's techie enough for us. And then on the enterprise, they've got deals with Salesforce. They've got deals with Adobe for integration and that sort of thing. So that's the company. The thesis is that this is a changing workplace play. The stock hasn't been run up like crazy like these other ones, like your Zooms, your DocuSigns, your Slacks, etc. And check out the multiples on this stock. So I bought this stock today. I bought it in my IRA. This is a long-term pick for me. It was basically what I'm interested in is multiple expansion on the stock. So Box is trading at 3.5 times sales, right? So it's price to sales ratio. I got Moderna up on the screen still. Here's the 1 year on Box I just pulled up. Its price to sales ratio is 3.5 times. Okay. Zoom, 100 times price to sales. DocuSign, 35 times price to sales. Slack, 20 times price to sales, right? So if we just looked at those metrics, there should be, if nothing else, there should be some sort of multiple expansion on the stock that pushes it higher. So some other numbers I'll call out on it. Their gross margin, so their cost of driving incremental revenue is 70%, super high, but their EBITDA margin is -4%. So what that tells me is every incremental customer that they bring on, they've only got to pay 30% for that customer. But the company has negative net income right now because they're spending so much money on basically the growth stage of the company, right? Paying for all their engineers or developers, their marketing budget and that side of things. So as revenue grows, the gross margin should stay steady, and then that EBITDA margin should flip from a -4% to way positive. That's the idea there. I'll give you the downside on the stock, and as I'm going, drop into the chat if you hate this pick. If you like this pick, drop it in. Again, I love being proved wrong, especially when I'm putting my money into something. Downside on this stock or things that I'm watching out for. The company is burning from operations about $120 million a year of cash. They've got $300 million in the bank. So we are exposed to a little bit of risk if they have to do a secondary offering or something along those lines. And sales growth over the past year is sitting at about 20%. It's not stellar, but again, I view this as a COVID play, as a changing workspace play, and so that's why I like the name. How's that, Jason? For my power pick of the day.
All right, I'm back. The power pick of the day was great. Box, that was it's one, like, I know Dropbox. I don't follow Box, but Box, I think Drew, good CEO. I'm gonna hit my sound pad, but Aaron won't hook it up yet. But I'm gonna say bye. Good job.
Boom. All right, I get the Jim Cramer bye. A power pick of the day. Box, BOX, Bravo Oscar X-ray.
Yes, and so that's our pick. Now, listen, if you're listening to the show, you guys I get a lot of questions about when this show is. They're familiar with our morning show. So every day around 12:15, we come on with different picks, different guests. It's not just Luke and I. It's different guests. We had the CEO of Voyager on Friday. We'll bring other CEOs, other leaders, other traders that trade options on last Friday or Thursday. Actually, we had the options Mike on who gave us options trades of the day. So every day there's a different guest or someone that you want on let us know. But you need to hit the like button so we can keep doing the show and getting more viewers and doing this every day. We can go. Andy, I don't believe their growth story is dead. It's just like when Box's growth story, I don't believe it's dead. It's just like when I was buying HubSpot at $160. I got someone from the exact same thing. And they said, why would someone use HubSpot when Google has the same kind of CRM thing? Yeah, there's competition from everything. There is competition from everything. But when you carve a niche out, enterprises are very interesting. They don't like to try new things. They like to be with the ones that they're already with. And Box has a lot of enterprises. But the thing is, you can upsell. I think you got a relatively secure company. But I know there's competition in everything, right?
Yeah, and what I'll say too is that they're already competing against Google and Microsoft, right? Google's got Drive, which they're actually rebranding to Google Workspace, and then Microsoft's got OneDrive is what their solution is called.
Yep, and it's a power pick for a reason. So it's a power pick for a reason. So this is your power pick, and we'll see how it goes. How long is the pick for?
It's a long-term play. I bought it in my IRA. I didn't buy it in my trading account. I think multiple expansion, right? Again, it's only at 3.5 times price to sales, whereas you got DocuSign 20, or DocuSign's at 35, Slack's at 20, Zoom's at a freaking 100. So it's a long-term play for me. But I like this thing for the long run.
All right, yeah, and then guys, so yeah, we have a show at 8 to 9. We're doing this afternoon thing, and then we have another show like around 3. So check in. If you want to be able to find us, go to YouTube and then type in Benzinga. YouTube and type in Benzinga, and we should be live around 12:15, 12:30 every day. Mitch is really trying hard to get me to be able to show this video clip, so I may try to help him with this, and maybe I can upload a file is what he's going to tell me. But video of that TikTok, I know, but Mitch, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So that's when we do this. Do you like the show? If you give us a 1, that's a yes. 2, that's a no. We're the guys behind, we operate Benzinga Pro, and Marketify. Like, let us know what you guys want to hear. But if you like the show, give a 1. If you don't, then give it 2, and we'll try to do better. That's it. Like, give us some feedback. We're only here because of you guys. So let's see what we got here going. All right. Oh, wow. Chats are blowing up right now. We're getting a lot of ones. So that's good. So, I mean, listen, and this is our first week at this thing, or week and a half. And my computer is going to die because I had a charger here, but Jonathan Miller didn't bring his charger in. And so now it's okay, Aaron. It's a deadline to go off. I really wanted to show that video, but I don't know how to. So that's that. Anything else, Luke, before we hit the road today?
That's all I have today. So tomorrow we're going to do a chat challenge. We're going to have a power pick, and we might have something new tomorrow too. Yeah,
so we got a power pick, chat challenge. We also have something else. Oh, Mallard's bringing it back because Mallard, you got to bring your thing. You want to come over here, Mallard? Let's get Mallard on.
All right, and Jason, I apologize. I know I was late today, but I got to
go, Luke. Go.
All right, bye, guys.
Okay, so this is Jonathan Mallard. Okay, this is the head of Benzinga Pro Sales Director. This is him. So if you have a question about Benzinga Pro, this thing changes lives. You can reach Jonathan Mallard at what's your phone number?
313 915 5155.
And Mallard, can I convince you to give a special discount for these listeners that are live right now, not on replay, but on live, that are live right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so what discount? Can we get like a 20%?
Yeah.
25%?
I'll make it super complicated for you guys.
No.
You use the code SAVE20. All caps, SAVE20.
Or call Jonathan and ask him questions. He's the guy that basically shut down the computer because he took the charger, which will buy you one right now. We're going to do it. But, all right. Anything you guys want to ask Jonathan Mallard? He's the director of sales for Benzinga Pro. This guy has sold millions of dollars in sales. This guy is the man. He is a good upbringing, good family guy, and learned the markets from scratch here. Didn't know the markets before he got here. I asked him, does Nike have a dividend? And he's like, dividend? What's a dividend? No, I'm just kidding. I don't know if he said that, but I'll just go with it.
Yeah, I see a good question here. Does Benzinga cover UK markets? Benzinga Pro has mainly US equities, but we're looking to branch out into Europe and Asia markets soon.
Yeah, we have ETF coverage though.
Yeah.
JCS TV, Benzinga Mobile, talk to me next month because we are going crazy to get this stuff done. We have so much development in the works and it's just not out there yet. And I'm locked in this room right now because all I'm focused on is development. Development. If you're a developer, text me, 248-766-0000. If you're a designer, text me, 248-766-0000. We need help. We need to get your stuff done. I was going to say shit done, so I'll just say it. We need to get this stuff done, okay? Why do you have to use the Bloombergs and pay $2,500 a month? Why can't you use us? We're here for you. We don't own this company. You do. So we're here for you. You tell us what you want. Jonathan Mallard's email address is jonathan.mallard.
Just Jonathan Mallard at benzinga.com. I'll throw it in the chat.
Okay.
Jonathan Mallard.
I'll do that for you, Jonathan.
All right, awesome. Mallard at benzinga.com. Or you can contact us at onboarding@benzinga.com if that's easier.
Is that a new one?
Well, you know,
it's VIP accounts. What happened to that one?
Our team is growing, so we have to narrow it down more. So onboarding,
all right,
yeah.
all right. That's what happens. We're about 85 people here at Benzinga, and we're here for you guys. This is a company for the people, by the people. So you guys own us. What you want built, we build. We just need to do it faster for you. That's what we're lacking. So we're trying to speed up. Thank you for listening to today's show. Tomorrow we'll be back with some new antics, some audio stuff. Working with Aaron. Aaron, do you want to give a wave to the camera? Aaron is struggling out there. Aaron's a guy I fight with in the background a lot. But that's Aaron. See? Aaron Thomas. He made this studio what it is. If we didn't do this, we wouldn't have it. So Aaron, I give him a lot of shit, but it's all in good humor and it makes us better. At least I hope he thinks that. All right. You like to work for Benzinga? I'm a shoe designer though. Well, if you can make some cool shoes that Jonathan wears and he's happier, then that's great. I want our people so freaking happy and so great, and we want our users so happy. But thank you, Jonathan. Now you can take the charger if you need it. Like I'm off the line anyway. You can take it. Right. Jonathan's taking the charger, so I gotta go, guys. I'm a developer, but I've been part of the beta testing. Well, JCS TV, thank you for being a beta tester. Aaron Thomas, Patrick, what up? Who's a professional poker player and a video guy. He's the guy that edits the show Poker at the Bike, and he's very good. He said, Aaron Thomas, great job. Sounds awesome. So that's a big compliment from Patrick, just so you know, Aaron. Okay? And if you sent me a text, Elite Train, I'll see you later. It's 248-766-0000. Damon Kephart, H&H Brown Products. If you know those guys, see if they want to license our newsfeed. If they want to license our newsfeed, let us know. All right? 248-766-0000 is my number. We out. Have a nice day.